On February 23, an earthquake occurred in Morocco. It was of magnitude 5.1 on the Richter scale. The epicenter of the quake was reported to be in the coastal city of Agadir, located in the western area of the country. It had a depth of 10 kilometers and the tremors were felt as far as Rabat, the capital of the country. The citizens of Agadir felt the tremor for several seconds. The officials reported that there were no significant damages due to the earthquake. Thankfully, no casualties or injuries were reported from the quake. However, some minor cracks were reported in buildings and structures near the epicenter. The quake caused panic among the general public and most of them ran out of their homes. The buildings and other structures are being inspected by the Moroccan government for further assessment. The people of the region are also beginning to feel their homes and are checking if there is any damage due to the earthquake. The region is now in the process of restoring the buildings and other properties in the affected area. Several teams have been sent to the epicenter to assess the damages and to provide aid to the citizens. The Moroccan National Bureau of Geological and Mining Research is collecting data from the electronic sensors near the epicenter to study the impact of the quake. The government of Morocco is also searching for the potential causes of the earthquake. They are consulting seismologists and other experts regarding this natural disaster. After a thorough inspection of the buildings, the government has declared that the city is safe for now. The earthquake has reminded the people of the region of the need to be aware and to take necessary precautions in case of a similar event. The region will now start to work on improving its seismic response system and increase its preparedness for any future events. Numerous relief camps have been set up in the area to help those affected by the disaster. The government is issuing advisories to the citizens to protect themselves from any further consequences of the earthquake. The help is being coordinated by various NGOs and charities to provide necessary support to the people. The government is helping the citizens to rebuild their homes and bring back normalcy in the lives of the citizens. It is important to be aware of the effects of earthquakes and to take necessary steps to be safe from such events. The citizens must also take safety precautions to protect themselves and their properties from the impact of an earthquake. The government of Morocco is now actively working on mitigation strategies to reduce the damage caused by an earthquake.